Okay, so let's make sure you got everything done that you need to for PYP today. Let's take a look back at our target. Our target says, I can discover the basic needs of all organisms. Did you define the word organism? Did you figure out that the word organism is any living thing? Identifying all organisms' basic needs. Did you do that? Did you figure out what the basic needs of organisms are? Did you define each basic need? Did you do that? And did you upload your work to Seesaw? Right here is how you're going to do that. If you're a rabbit, you click here. If you're a turtle, you click here. I'm a turtle for today. Once you get logged in, here it is. You're going to add response. I will be sample student. I have my picture here of my closed notebook, or my closed flipbook, sorry. And then I have a picture of my open flipbook. I want you to take your own pictures and cover mine. If, for whatever reason, you don't have this flipbook, here is a copy for you to use. So obviously, these over here are locked, but you can select in here, and you can erase what I have written and put your answer. So what does food do for organisms? If you look back at those videos, you would know that food gives energy to organisms. That's how you show me your work if you don't have the packet with you. Okay? Once you're done, you go ahead and push this green check. I'm not going to because I'm not going to submit my student work. Once you're done with that, you push the green check on Seesaw, you come back here and push submit, and you are all done. Nice work.